Hi there. My name is Kathy Klein, and I have built a successful Medicare business just in a 2-year time span. And I wanted to talk to you about why you might want to consider that too. So, I have a lot of friends who are in the online space and they're trying to build up a residual income by, I don't know, creating products. And this takes them a lot of time, it costs money. And sometimes I just want to say, hey, why don't you consider selling Medicare insurance? Because the way that Medicare insurance in the United States works is you build up an income slowly. Now, is it riches all at once? No, probably not. Are you probably going to need an outside income source while you build up your income? The answer to that is yes, because the way that it works is when one person signs up with you, you will get paid for that one person every month or every year as long as that person's on the plan. So let's say, for example, you're here in San Diego, like where I live. My average client, including their supplement plan and their drug plan, I usually make around $280 a year. Now you're like, well, that's not very much money, $280. But actually, it can be because when you consider that, let's say you're shooting to make $20,000. Well, you're going to make $20,000 that first year, and then you're going to make an amount the second year. Now, if you're doing supplement plans or Medicare Advantage and somebody is just turning 65, well, that income is probably going to go down by half the following year, but you're still bringing on new clients. So let's use the figure of $20,000. So if you sold enough accounts to get to that $20,000 mark, which is not impossible to do, then the following year you'd make $20,000 plus roughly 10,000. And then the following year, your renewals would be 10,000 for year 1, 10,000 for year 2, and then another $20,000. So that makes $40,000. So really, if you stick with the Medicare sales, let's say for 5 years, you could certainly have a six-figure income. And that is the principle that I used when I was a financial advisor. I was basically building up my recurring monthly income. And the great thing about Medicare sales is that everybody in the United States is eventually going to need it. It's not a product that people buy because they want it. It's a product because everybody needs it. And so you've got this huge range of people that are going to need your services. And so if you are able to make the right connections or maybe do some Facebook ads, if you already know how to do ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, any kind of advertising, then you're probably going to be in the top 10%, heck, maybe even the top 1%, because most insurance salespeople who sell Medicare, a lot of them don't even have a website. They're just going out there, handing out business cards, sending mailers, doing whatever they need. They're really not internet savvy, is what I want to say. So if you are somebody who really has a heart for helping people and doesn't mind building up that income slowly, in a couple of years, you could definitely have an income that's livable. And all those clients that you signed up in prior years, they're still going to be your clients. And so you'll still get paid month after month, year after year, to have that client on your books. And if you're dealing with people who are age 65, heck, those people could be your clients for the next 20 years. So, thanks for watching. Comment below. Let me know what you think about potentially selling Medicare insurance. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and I'm happy to answer them. Thanks, and bye for now. Really consider it. It's a great program.